Hey there, it's Uncle Vinny. I'm here to give you the lowdown on a sweet little side hustle, selling stock photos. Ever wonder why you see the same dopey smile on every dental website? Or why every Italian joint's got the same old pic of spaghetti and meatballs? That's stock photos. They're like the secret sauce on the internet. They're everywhere. Now, you're probably wondering, why should I bother? Picture this. You're kicking back, sipping your soy latte or whatever you kids are into these days, then there's money always coming in. You're making dough from a photo you took once and forgot about. Sounds like easy money, right? But wait, don't get ahead of yourself. This ain't no cakewalk. You can't just snap a quick pic of your half-eaten sandwich or your dog snoozing and expect the big bucks to start pouring in. No siree, this game's about quality, not just quantity. You gotta up your game. Get good with the camera, understand the difference between a landscape and a portrait. Then it's about knowing what to click. Stuff people are actually searching for. Now, here's the real deal, the recipe to success. Snap. It's all about finding the right subject. Could be a high-rise skyline, a slice of pepperoni pizza, or even a pair of old boots. If it tells a story, it sells. Edit. Don't just upload any old thing. Put some effort into making it look sharp. We're talking good lighting, right angles, maybe even some filters. Upload. Next, you gotta get your work out there. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, they're your ticket to the big show. Set price. Don't undervalue your work, but don't get too cocky either. Remember, you're not Ansel Adams yet. Repeat. Keep at it. The more quality snaps you got, the more chances you have to make some serious dough. And remember, you don't gotta be a big shot mobster to pull this off. All you need is a camera and some hustle. So get out there, start snapping, and remember, we ain't in this game for anything, we're in it for the green. And that's it from me. If you want to keep learning the ropes, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Remember, in this game, you gotta keep shooting if you want to keep earning. Ciao.